There, can you see it?
Is it?
Yes, can you see the colors? What color?
Rainbow.
What color?
It's rainbow.
What color?
Rainbow red.
Oh my god, it looks so amazing. It looks really fat and chunky. Fat chunky rainbow over there. It's a fat chunky rainbow. Yum, 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 yum. Kiki, what are you doing? Find the key. Come here. Quick, the doggy's coming. Come here. Come on. Come on, Kiki. You ain't good, Kiki. Jack, close the window. Get in. Kiki, don't be rude.
Then food.
You're gonna get eaten by doggies. No.
By doggy. Don't eat.
Shh.
You're gonna fall and see.
Boo! Ticka ticka ticka. Boo! Tiki tiki. Oh no! I can see you. Tiki tiki tiki. There you are. There you are. Tiki tiki tiki. I see you.
Good job. Good job. Good job. Easy.
Ellie, baby, you're on Ellie. Man.
I didn't ask for your help, and yet you always need it.
Petito was a calle. He was a calle.
Get up. I don't want to talk to He's not.
No, baby. What's it, Nana? Ellie, stop it, please.
You don't.
One stone from six. It's a start. If he gets all of them.
Oh my god. This person is just so mean. I mean, is it because like I have a girl's name? Because I sent a message. Jason sent a message. He hasn't said if she responded to him yet about an Xbox 3. Oh, Xbox One. Yeah, I get that. Because with 2 controllers, an Xbox, some games, I think. It doesn't matter about the games because I already got some. Anyway, she responds to Christian's message, which is me as well, because I'm using his, you know, what's the thing? his Facebook. And she responds to him, and she's not replying to me when I wrote this. Read it. Well, it says there, it's just me. And she's just seen it, it's like, me. And then she replies to Christian. Oh, it's disponible. I don't know, maybe she's waiting for someone to like just go higher. Here he is now. I'm gonna say it to Christian. Christian did not respond. There's a tornado coming this way at 90 kilometers an hour. Again, this was what happened before. Huge hail, a tornado, damage afterwards. And this happened at like 6 p.m. in Coyapui, Concepcion, and it said Talca as well.
Mom, is there any hot water?
Not super hot, but we're gonna run out of leche.
No, it has to be
Hot.
and then go cold.
Oh, it's this?
Where's Ellie? Ellie, I can't see you, Ellie. Oh, cutie poo.
Did you send you those pictures? No, the stuff that
What did you say, Judge? Hello. Yeah, she's very nosy girl. She's tired. Yeah. Este lo compré yo, pues.
Sí, Ale, ¿qué size es ese?
For 12 months. And 6?
Ay, señora.
6 to 12, that's it. Pero mira, 6 to 12, like she's like a month.
See yourself complaining. Whinging.
Let me see myself complaining.
No. See?
Tanta frazada que tiene. It's uncomfortable. La compré en Ripley, la compré.
A ver,
Me
tanto.
costó caro, sí. Muy caro, muy caro. Estaba reduced, pero estaba caro. But she's worth it, ¿cierto? Like, I'm worth it. Hello. She's happy looking.
Yeah, she knows the noises of that from over there.
You better not be surrounded with all the boys, Ellie.